In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove header and footer from a specific page in Shopify. This is really useful if you're building something like a landing page, a coming soon page, or any page where you want a clean, distraction-free layout without your usual navigation or footer links. Let's start from your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're logged in, look at the menu on the left-hand side and find the option called Online Store. Go ahead and click that. Under Online Store, you'll see your current theme listed at the top. On the right side of that theme, click the option that lets you edit the theme. This will open the theme editor where you can visually customize how your store looks. Inside the theme editor, you'll see a panel on the left that lists all the sections that make up your page, like header, footer, and any content sections. In this panel, click Add Section. It does not matter whether you add it near the header, in the middle, or near the footer. The location here is just for organizing your layout. From the list of options that appears, choose Custom Liquid. This section lets you add custom code that can control how parts of your page behave or display. Once the Custom Liquid section has been added, click on it to open its editing and styling options. You'll see a text area where you can paste the code that hides the header and footer for this page. Use the exact code you've prepared or that's been provided alongside this tutorial. Make sure you replace any placeholder values only if the instructions for the code specifically tell you to. After pasting the code, look for the settings related to spacing or padding for this custom liquid section. Set the top padding and bottom padding to 0. This helps remove any awkward extra white space that might appear where the section is placed, keeping the page clean and seamless. Now look at the live preview on the right side of the screen. Scroll up and you should see that the header has disappeared for this page. Scroll down and the footer should be gone as well. If everything looks good, click the Save button in the top right corner to apply these changes. If you want to hide the header and footer on other pages as well, just repeat the same process. Use the page selector at the top of the theme editor to switch to another page, then add a custom liquid section, paste the same code, adjust the padding to 0 and save your changes.